Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a little self-care routine. Nothing crazy, it's a nighttime routine. Of course, I go use my Guru Nanda mouthwash, so that's what we're going in with. I've been liking it so far, and it lasts long. Like I feel like a lot of mouthwashes last long, but I like this one specifically because it was supposed to help with different things like not having cavities and good overall teeth health. So that's why I initially bought it, but I also saw it on TikTok shop because I have their oil pulling, which I always forget to use actually. Now I'm going with the Crest Pro Health to brush my teeth, and then I did floss and everything, but I didn't need to show all that on camera. So yeah. Now this is the tablet that I was sharing in my vlog, but that probably will be uploaded after. I decided to swap which content I post first, but anyway, I got the retainer tablets from Marshall's. I'll see if I can link the exact brand. I had like 120 tablets, so I said let me try it today. I did like it. Ugh, there was a fly, that was why I made that face. But anyway, as you guys see, it gets foamy. I did add a little bit more water when I rinsed it out after I got up the shower to put it on. It was like super clean. There was no residue, nothing on it. So I definitely will recommend it to you guys, and I'll leave it in the links. Now, my scalp has been itching me for the life of me, and I've been working out here and there, so it's that, and also not having to wash my hair. I haven't washed my hair for, I don't know, what, 2-3 weeks now. So I'm going with TPH. This is probably the next best thing. I like it because it has a nozzle now. A little bit definitely goes a long way, so you gotta like kind of not maneuver, but you have to control your hands when you're using it because sometimes it'll be way too much. As you guys can see, certain sections. But I just kind of got it through all my scalp and then massaged it in. And then after I did that, I just rinsed it out. I didn't show you guys that whole process because I was really, honestly, it was like a thing to try to focus to not get my whole hair wet. That was the goal. I was trying not to get my hair soaking wet. I just really wanted to focus on the scalp mostly because that was the part that was itching me, but also I feel like there was just build up from sweat. Alright, so let's get into my skincare. I'm just gonna be using the Hara Haru, I think that's how you say it, Wander. It's a Korean brand. I've been finding a lot of that in Marshalls, and I've been liking Korean brands, so that's why I'm still using them. But it is a face toner. And then I'm gonna go in with, I believe I went in with my serum. I don't remember if I showed you guys a serum on here, but I did go in with my serum. And then I went in with my face moisturizer. Oh yeah, I did show it to you guys. This is a trouble serum that I've been using. If you want my thoughts on it on TikTok and how it's been so far, I'll leave the TikTok video for you guys to see it. And then I'm just gonna go in. I think I went in with my Vaseline, and that was pretty much it for the lips. And then for moisturizing, I'm gonna use my Dr. Teal's Body Lotion. So fast, you guys. I know that I've recommended this, the Jamango, the Jamaican mango and lime, right? It's a dry wash, but I think because now I was working out and stuff, it makes your hair more sweaty, which builds on buildup, and I was like, I couldn't do it anymore. I was like this all day. So I show you guys, I use the TPH. I love that thing. I just bought it to just try it on my natural hair, but the only thing is, because I was trying not to get it in my eye, which I didn't, but because it has the apple cider vinegar, and I believe it has tea tree, that thing was making my eyes burn for a good minute. But I'm gonna have to take my whole hair down, or my hair's not gonna dry tonight. Luckily I'm not going nowhere tomorrow, but still I mean, I still recommend this, but this is like in between washes or something. But I kept on trying to put this in and it wasn't doing nothing. I said, and that's when I was like, you know what, Abigail, tonight just wash your scalp, because you can't do it. Now my scalp feels less itchy for sure. I only went with it once. I didn't want to go twice because I didn't want to make the hair more damp. Right now, I don't know how I was able to successfully put it in a hair turban, but I actually put it up in the bun. Well, now the bun is sinking, so I'm gonna get my huge towel so I don't wet myself. But yeah, I want to be showing all my accessories. That's why I'm not from top down, but I am wearing clothing. I show you guys. I'll leave it in the TikTok shop down below. But I'm actually gonna go put the rest of my laundry in the dryer. Hopefully I don't have to stay up too late, although I've been going to sleep late anyway, but not that it's a good thing. But let me go do that so that I can take this down, because thing is I don't want to try to go in between the washer and stuff like that and then team too much. I don't think I have really anything else. I'm not doing anything else. Oh, you know what, this is probably the shortest self-care video you guys have gotten from me. But I was like, I want to do a quick one. So since I've been showing you guys K-beauty stuff, let's just look through my arsenal. I just want to see what I got left. This is a nose strip. I'm not doing that. I don't feel like doing it. I did a lot today, honestly, to be very honest with you guys. I filmed a lot of content that I have not edited yet. Well, I edited YouTube content today, but I think I am gonna though go through my journal, my planner, and plan a few things, because I have some content that I need to plan. So yeah, maybe I'll add that snippet of that, but there's nothing else I really have to say. So if I don't say it, I'll probably say it in voiceover and yada yada yada. You know how it is. So now I'm gonna go in with the Hair Affinity oil, the botanical oil. I got this from Amazon, but I heard it was a pretty good oil. And as you guys know, there were certain parts that was a little balding for me, so I'm trying to grow them back. I did see it start growing back, but I feel like everything is with consistency, so I do want to finish this oil. I believe I'm like halfway through this oil so far, but while I have my braids, I will be oiling my scalp and giving it the much needed care. Because that's the thing too with braids. Some people think you just put it on and then just leave it in, but after a while you're gonna have to do some type of maintenance. Like even my curls here and there, I have to go in with water and mousse to just have the hair curl nice. But I don't know, somebody said something about oil sheen. I have to buy that from my local beauty supply store actually. Apparently that helps the curls better too as well. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. And lastly, I'm just gonna be writing some things in my planner that I wanted to plan for the month of July. I still haven't fully written in my planner, honestly, because I changed to my new planner now. But other than that, that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. It was short and sweet. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.